Namaste India, welcome back and thanks for staying with us. In a shocking incident that went down in Pune's Talegaon, Alexzender, principal of D Y Patil School, Talegaon, Pune, attacked by Hindu activists for making students recite Christian prayers and installing CCTV cameras in girls' washroom. According to reports, the principal was attacked after several parents had complained to the activists about their children being forced to recite and take part in Christian prayers. They also said that the students were not given holidays for Hindu festivals.
इधर ही इधर ही इधर ही इधर ही रुक इधर रुक इधर रुक इधर ही रुक